Hello everyone, today I would like to share with you the pattern or the process of making this crochet cord that's fantastic for the bags. I really love them. I would like to try to use the round handle. After sewing this part together, you can use the handle of this style, and they are really not stretchy, they are nice. This one is made of cotton and you can make of any size, length, with any yarn. This one is made of jute and it has a texture of a bit harder than this one, cotton one. I would like to share with you in my next video the pattern of the jute bag that I'm going to make, and there we will use these handles for the bag. So I decided to record this video separately, so in case you want to learn how to make it, you can watch this video and then we start the bag together. The bag is really fantastic. I'm excited to share with you the pattern of the bag. And before that, you can start with the handles. So you can use literally any yarn. I really love the look of cotton, jute, or what's the name of that yarn? Like rafia. They really give extra eco look, that natural look. Okay, so let's get started. I will show you from the very beginning. So for the handles, I left long tail, so in order to sew the handles to the bag, but depending on your project, you can keep short tail. So to make a handle, just wrap the yarn around your finger 3 times like that, and now go under the 2 yarn and grab the third one and yarn over. So we have a loop on the hook. Now we are going to make 10 single crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Depending on the yarn size and the size of the handle you want, you can make 10, 5, 9 of single crochet. You can regulate later by yourself. So we are going to pull the yarn, and the one that is shorter, we're gonna pull again. Okay, and now we pull the longer yarn, and so we close. Now we are going to make single crochet under each one. So we have to make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The last single crochet. And now we have to change the way we are making single crochet. So now I'm going to show you. If you watch from where you had the tail from the other side, so you will see that each stitch cannot focus. Each stitch has this horizontal yarn, and then one leg and the second leg from it. So we need this leg on the left. We need to go with the hook. So after this horizontal yarn, there is a leg of the single crochet. We need the left one. We go this way to, I sometimes change the hook size for the smaller one. That's easier to go and make one single crochet. Then the next one, you make one single crochet. So again, this is the horizontal, this is one leg and another leg. So you go so meanwhile you are crocheting the inside, you get this layer that you can see on this one. So this is how you crochet, and inside all the stitches are inside, so it creates the effect that it's not empty one. I hope you can understand what I mean. So you continue like that to crochet in spiral into this, let's call them left legs. So just go on. You don't really have to count any stitches, just you must exactly find this side leg, let's call it left leg. At the beginning it's a bit harder to see it, but you still can see, and as you go on it will be easier to understand where you must insert your hook. And you go on like that, and you started to create your spirals. So as you see here, you have a spiral, and here the spirals, like, I mean these lines, diagonal lines. So in between these spirals, diagonal lines, there is a stitch that looks like horizontal, or if you hold the work like that, it looks like a vertical. You can see now here, like this one, you must insert your hook exactly there. So here, and then the next is here, and like that you can hold it, and you will see this vertical yarn line stitches that you have to use to go inside. So here you can see maybe even clearer, because the spirals, the horizontal lines are already longer. So now it takes time to focus the camera. So they are here. You see one line, two line, and the stitch, the only horizontal stitch between them is the right one. Then here is this one. Then in between the two horizontal lines there is the diagonal lines. There is the horizontal line that you must yarn, and you must use exactly that one. If you still will have questions, you can ask in the comments below. I really hope it's clear how to crochet this cord, because it's really nice and easy, and actually it's even addicting. You really like the feeling of it, and it's very beautiful handle for any type of bag, and really very easy. So I hope you understood how to make it. It's better not to hold like that, maybe it's a bit confusing, but if you hold this way, you will see that just the line, the diagonal line 1, diagonal line 2, and you must go to the yarn that's between them, and that's all, and go on like that. Okay, that's it for today. It was just a quick tutorial for our bigger projects that we will start with you together, and I'm excited to share with you the pattern of a new bag. So for now you can start to make handles. The handles of any yarn. For the bag I would recommend cotton, jute, or cord, or rafia. So any type of these bags, of this yarn that hold the shape, it's very fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you again next time.